So I'm about to drill and countersink the screws to mount the aluminum panel to the black walnut frame here for the Ruger Red Label over and under shotgun. And I've got 26 holes here to install, so I'll get started on that. I'm going to start right here on this corner here. And start with this one right here, I'd say. So first I use this tool. I'm doing it right on the wood, so it's actually locating the screw as well. And then I've got a drill with a piece of tape that's telling me not to exceed the depth. No great penalty if I do. It's just no need to drill a hole bigger than it needs to be. Now I'll test to fit the screw here. So needed a little more material removed from the aluminum to get it sitting flush like I'm looking for. Now that's a good result. That's a flush screw right there. So now I've got 25 more of these to go. So the cone, this cone actually locates where the screw hole is going to be that I drill, which actually is pretty nice benefit. It guides the drill right down into the center. So that one's a little bit proud. I'm going to remove a little more aluminum on it. Like that. So that's the process. Just have to continue on installing more. I guess I can kind of gauging the depth by holding the screw in backwards. Let's see if that's a good way to do it. That seems to be a fairly accurate way to determine that. I'll do this one here next. So I recommend that technique. It's a good way to check the depth. Ideally, I could put some sort of stop on this, but I don't have one. Hey.